Alright guys, we got another car in here. We got a Hyundai Sonata. Customer state that checking light is blinking, and we're gonna find out why it's causing the problem. So we're gonna check the code. Let's see the code first. It's gonna take a while. So this Cascanto's super old. I wish I had my own, but so we're gonna check the code. And then usually, alright, there it is. We got knock sensor, signal range, whatever, and intake manifold, runner performance. So we're gonna try to see. I've seen that code before, so we're gonna try and test it. The best way to test that, to make sure it's functioning correctly, we're just gonna go to function test. You know, this Canto is super old, so it's not the greatest, but it still does its job. So we're gonna look for the VCM motor. Click on that VCM motor, and then make sure the engine's off and the power's on, and then we'll continue. And then we're gonna go to the engine bay. Alright, let's check. So this is the VCM motor right there. There's a VCM motor, so we're gonna try to test it. We're gonna power it manually. Yep. See that? That's the sound right. I think that's the sound right at all. That's the problem right there, guys. See, that sound bad. Squeaking. Sound like the bearing or something, or the actuator motor shaking, or it's not balanced, something, or maybe the flopper is bad. Yep, that's the problem, guys. So what you gotta do is turn it up, stop it, good, just like that.